the woman who took down the KKK with a typewriter. She was black. She was a journalist. And she terrified the Klan with her words. Meet Ida B. Wells, a fearless investigative journalist in the late 1800s. After witnessing the lynching of her friends, she launched a personal crusade against the Ku Klux Klan and the myth of black criminality. She exposed fake accusations, tracked real names, published bold editorials, and faced death threats weekly. One night, a mob burned down her newspaper office. But she kept going, writing, traveling, and speaking worldwide. Her reporting saved lives, exposed lies, and helped fuel early civil rights movements. Ida didn't carry a gun. She carried truth, and it hit harder than bullets. Double tap if this made you proud, and follow for more unsung heroes of history.